What up, YouTube? It's your homie, I go by Two, and I'm back with another vid, man. And shout out to everybody that's watching the parts, the series of all the topics. I'm making a part 2 of this by request. You need money for everything. Part 2. Being broke is no joke. I hope everybody having a good day, man. I hope things going right with you, man. I hope that you be successful wherever you want in life. If you're having a bad day today, just don't let it get to you. But let me get to it. Being broke is no joke. Now, what I'm gonna say is, when you don't got no money, man, it's a lot of stuff that you can't do. It's a lot of stuff you can't do. You can't even think about. I remember a time I was broke, man. It was to the point where I ain't want to do nothing, man. I ain't want to do nothing. I was just like sick to my stomach. I was like, God, please, can I just have $10, $20? Stuck in a mentality of things ain't gonna happen for me. Things ain't gonna pick up. Being in that dark tunnel where it's like you can't see the light. You in a dark tunnel, you can't see the light, man. So when I was broke, I should just do stuff that, you could do for free. Of course you need money for everything, but I should just go to like the park and stuff. Just walk around, lay down. You ain't gotta pay no money to go to sleep. Stuff like that. I remember looking at my bank account. I was like, what's the point of having a bank account? You ain't got no damn money. It's crazy. Having a bank account and you don't even got no money. What you need a bank account for? You ain't got no money on it. It was times I used to be scared to swipe my card. I used to go like this, just everybody in line, my hand shaking, I'm looking back, everybody in line waiting. You know how people be aging. Come on, hurry up. Come on. I just got my card. I'm like, here goes nothing. Put in there. Chip malfunction. I'm like, oh, thank God, chip malfunction. And then something hit your head. Bing! Oh, I'm gonna put this as credit. And it go through. I remember one time I tried to get a pizza with my card at Little Caesar. That's when they were hot ready with $5 cheap, just the way I like it. I go in there, pull the card out, get it to it. That wouldn't want no tapping and all that. You either get it to it or you swipe it. So I gave it to old girl. And it said, guess what it said, y'all? Guess what it said? That card came back and that card didn't even go through. It didn't go through. It was declined. Man, when you have a card and it says declined, man, it's like getting shot 9 times. I was like, this happened 50 Cent. Shout out to 50 Cent. And no disrespect to 50 Cent. It's just humor in this video. I'm a big 50 Cent fan, by the way. It's like getting shot 9 times. You put in there, and then they say decline. Like, and then you thinking the person gonna have his sympathy for you, like, oh, you can still have a pizza. No. Then you try to play it off. Oh man, I know I got money. I know I got money on this car. I know I got money. Man, let me call my bank. So I act like I get on the phone. I'm calling my bank, and I just slowly walk out. Slowly walk out the door. Just slowly walk out. I'm out the door. I get out the phone. So I got the door, hang the phone up. And I'm just like, man, I ain't even got $5. You don't have nothing to your name. Being broke is no joke. It's funny when you think back, but when you in that situation, and it's like, then it's another thing. It's like people with money. Oh my God. People with money, they act like they don't know what you talking about. They act like they don't know how I feel. They act like, man, what? It's just money. But they got money. They ain't thinking about it. Now you got and I always been a person not asking people for nothing. But man, I hit my mama like, man, I need to borrow a couple hundred. You know, mama gonna be there for you. Here. Sure, I took that couple hundred. Man, I was doing whatever I could to get my paper up. Driving, Uber, everything. I just drove all the way to the Uber just to make a couple dollars. Then I started working these little temp agency jobs. Y'all know how the temp agency jobs be. They give you a job, it may last 1 week, it may last for a month, you don't know. But when they call you, hey, Mr. Jordan, you ready what? I'm ready to work now. Hey, it's tomorrow. I can start today. I can start today. Forget that. You be at the temp agency. I'll be at the temp agency. Sleep. In the car, sleep. Wait for them to open up. Hey, how long this job gonna be? Oh, it's gonna be 2 months. Oh my God, it'd be like this. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Yeah. I got a job. See, you be times where you be broke. When you go, no, I don't want y'all to ever have to go broke. I hope you don't have to go through these situations. This is just part of my life and just telling you from other people's situations too. See, when you had a job, you had a good job. You complain, oh, they don't pay me enough. Oh, let's do this. They don't do that. I'm tired of working here. And when God hear you say, the universe hear you say, I'm tired of working here, guess what? They'll be like, Mr. Jordan, we're going to have to let you go. You go back home, it don't really hit till next week. Do you realize this is your last check? This is your last check. That check say $600. Oh my God. It's like, after you get that check, you pay them bills and stuff, you be like, dang, man, I wish I had my job. You start going broke where you can't even buy a piece of gum. It's crazy. Then you start getting desperate. You start trying to, when you do get a little money, you start being desperate. You start getting a little scratch out, $10, $20. Just praying, please let me win something, guys. Please, like, you become in a desperate stage of where it's like, it's to the point where you just doing anything. Anything. Being broke is no joke. You need money for everything. Part 2. See, a lot of y'all gonna get on these comments and try to act like you ain't never been broke. And if you ain't never been broke, I feel bad for you, because if you go broke and you never been broke before, some of y'all gonna be ready to, that's all. You see that right there? That right there. I ain't gonna say nothing else. You know, some of y'all come from a silver spoon and don't know what it's like to not have money. And you're blessed, and you should thank God and thank your parents that paved the way for you to not have to know what it's like to not have nothing to your name. You know, being broke is no joke at all. There's nothing to laugh at. Like, it's no joke. You can't do nothing. Your friends call, hey man, let's get this Airbnb, man. Let's go to let's go to Miami. Let's go to Miami for the summer, man. Like, let's get this Airbnb. Deep in, you know, you trying to play it out like, yeah. You trying to act like, oh man, I want to go, man. Y'all know I'm a ball out. I want to go, but I got to work, man. I got to put in extra hours. Your job won't let you off, but you want to act like you can't get off because you ain't got no money. See, it's a difference between broke and flat out broke. You could be broke but still have money because you know this is all you got. Now, flat out broke, well, you ain't got nothing. It just, that's say zero dot period, whatever, 0.00, you ain't got nothing in there. It's over with. You out, cuz. So, all I say, man, being broke ain't no joke, man. That's why some of these women out here, they be looking for them dudes that got the money. And they be trying to hold on to them. And it's the same, hey, and it's the same thing with these dudes. You ever see a dude that be out with a girl that you be like, what? You be like, this don't even make sense. Them two don't even make sense. Old boy up there, he doing anything he could do to keep her, because she taking care of him. She give him clothes, give him money. She just got him a new PS5. He playing GTA. He eating all the kids' cereal, drinking all their juices, all that. Sleep when you want to sleep. While she at work, slaving like a dog. He just, as long as he do that right there, he in there for a good minute till she get tired and she be like, look, you gotta do something, cause I'm paying all these bills and they ain't paying themselves. You know, being broke ain't no joke. I don't care how bad you hate your job. I'm telling you from experience, this is my life. I'm telling you from experience. I don't care how bad you hate your job. Do not leave your job unless you got a job that's getting ready, they're hiring you. You going to orientation, then you can leave your job. Don't leave your job. Don't be in your feelings because you don't want to do this, you don't want to do that. Don't let them bosses and them supervisors at your job, when they be trying to treat you, do you bogus. Don't let it get to you. Stay at your job. All you youngers out there, y'all got it made right now. Most of y'all stay with y'all parents, your mama, your daddy, your auntie, grandma, whoever, big mom, big daddy, whoever. Stay there. Cause when they clip them wings and you out there with the wolves don't care at all. When you out here in the real society, so you right now watching, you think this funny. You gonna see. You gonna see when you gotta defend for yourself and you gotta go out here and make money for yourself. Nobody wants to do their jobs. Nobody loves their job, but they gotta do to take care of their family and everything. You see this ring right here? I'm a married man. I can't afford to be all upset. I can't afford to be all that. I got a family to take care of. So won't you understand that? And I said, being broke is no joke at all. You can't go nowhere. You could be on YouTube like, man, I want to go here. You need money for that. Like, let's start there. Like, all that, you may want to take your woman out. She deserves it. She loyal. She been down for you. But you just a broke person. You can't do nothing. And you can't want somebody to have sympathy for you because it's too many ways to make money. It's too many ways to make money. You could be, I don't want to work at McDonald's. You better go work at McDonald's and flip them burgers. And then you better go across the street to Taco Bell and wrap that burrito. Then you better go to go to one of these places that you could change oil or whatever and change that oil. You better have you multiple jobs. You better do whatever you got to do. Because being broke ain't no joke. It's your homie, I go by 2. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. If you haven't seen part 1 where you need money for everything, you can check that out too. I'm out, man.